Yeah, welcome back to Engineering Mathematics First. Today we will study envelopes. Envelopes of a family of curves. Okay, before studying the envelopes, let's see what is one parameter family of curve. An equation of the form x, y, alpha equal to 0. Some functional relation between x, y and alpha equal to 0 in which alpha is a constant. This is suppose this is equation 1 represents a curve. If alpha is constant, then it is a curve. But if alpha is a parameter, means we can change the value of alpha such that alpha can take all real values, all real values, then one is the equation of a one parameter family of curves. Family of curves with parameter with parameter alpha. For example, suppose you have a circle x square plus y square equal to 4. This is a circle because the outside is a constant value. But if you have x square plus y square equal to alpha square, then it is a family of circle by changing the value of alpha. Alpha equal to 0, alpha equal to 1, alpha equal to 2, and so on. It means you have a family of concentric circles which center is 0, 0, but radius is changing. For any particular value of alpha, you will get a constant. For a particular value, suppose alpha equal to 2, you will get x square plus y square equal to 4. This is a equation of curve, or you can say equation of circle. But for arbitrary values of alpha, when you are free to change the value of alpha, it will represent a one parameter family of curves. Okay, let's see one remark. An equation of the type fxy alpha comma beta equal to 0 also defines a family of curves with two parameters alpha and beta. If you have two variables alpha and beta, then it will be a family of curves. Suppose, for example, if you have x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to 4, then you have, this is equation of circle with center alpha comma beta. But if you are center is variable, means it can be any value. Suppose alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1, then center is 1 comma 1. If alpha equal to 2, beta equal to 4, the center is 1 comma 4. Then you have another family of circle which have same radius but different centers. And in case of center, you have two variables, two parameters, alpha and beta. Let's see what is envelope. Envelope of a one parameter family of curve. In first case, I am taking for one parameter family when one alpha is only involved. See the definition here. The envelope of a one parameter family of curves is the locus of the limiting positions, the limiting positions of the points, of the points of intersection of any two members of the family of curves when one of them tends to coincide with the other, which is kept fixed. I'm giving you as a homework, see geometrical interpretation of envelope. You can throw Wikipedia. This topic is not available in Jain and Iyengar, not available in B.S. Grewal. I am teaching this topic from a book of Professor A.R. Vasist as Krishna publication. But this topic is not very useful topic in competitive point of view. This is not in the syllabus of GATE also. But it is given in BTech, so we can learn it for only marks point of view. But for the civil students, this is a important topic. Okay, so what is the geometrical meaning of this envelope? I'm giving you homework. Make a assignment of 1 page and by geometrically try to show what is envelope and submit by WhatsApp group only. Okay, method to finding the envelope. What is the method to find the envelope of a family of curves? Working rule. Let the equation of the the equation of the envelope of the family of curves fx y alpha equal to 0, one parameter case I am taking here, alpha is parameter here, is obtained by eliminating alpha between the equations. First equation is fxy alpha equal to 0 and the second equation is take the partial derivative with respect to alpha, fxy alpha equal to 0, equation 2. By eliminating alpha from 1 and 2, you can get the equation of envelope. One important point is here, note down. If we take the equation in x equal to phi of alpha and y equal to psi of alpha, and alpha is parameter, obtained on solving fxy alpha equal to 0 and del f by del alpha fxy alpha equal to 0 If we solve these two equations and we get x equal to phi alpha and y equal to psi alpha, and we are not able to eliminate alpha, then we write this are the parametric equation of the envelope, and alpha is parameter. If we are not able to eliminate alpha, we will write the parametric equation of the envelope. Let's see one example, then only we can better visualize it. Suppose first example is find the equation of the family of straight lines. Find the envelope. Find the envelope of the family of the straight lines y equal to mx plus a by m, where m is parameter. We can see that m is just look like slope of the straight line, and for different slopes we will get different straight lines. We want to find the equation of envelopes. Let's see the solution, then only we can see the geometrical interpretation of this. The first equation is y minus mx minus a by m equal to 0. M is parameter. Now we differentiate with respect to m. With respect to m, both sides. What will be the equation? Differentiation of y will be 0 minus x, because differentiation of m will be 1, minus plus a by m square equal to 0, because derivative of 1 over m is minus 1 over m square. Now if you find m here, m will be your a by x to the power 1 by 2. I am taking only positive value. Now put this value in. This is your equation 2, and from 2 we got the value of m, and now we are substituting in equation 1. Your y will be equal to x into m, means a by x to the power 1 by 2 plus a into a by m. So that will be x by a to the power 1 by 2. So your y is going to be twice a to the power 1 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2. Take the whole square both the sides. So this is a parabola actually. This is a parabola. So equation of the envelope is parabola for these type of equation. Now see the geometrical meaning, students. We know that this parabola look like this. Y square equal to 4ax. Now at any point, if we draw the tangent, at any point, the equation of the parabola of tangent is mx plus a by m. We know that because c is equal to a by m in the case of parabola. At any point, we can draw the tangent, and the equation will be same. Only slope is going to be changed. Only slope is going to be changed. So this is a family of straight lines. And if we see the family of this straight line, this is nothing else. This is nothing else. This is actually tangent of this parabola. Tangent of this parabola. If we draw the tangent at every point of the parabola, we can draw the tangent at every point. We will get the equation of parabola only, because at every point we are getting the tangent of the parabola. So parabola is actually working as envelope of these tangents or these family of straight lines, because it is containing all the straight lines. Straight lines, I am representing family of straight lines because m is parameter here. For different values of m, we will get different straight lines. But they all belongs to one family due to one parameter m. Okay. We have one trick also. Equation of envelope, when parameter has a quadratic form. Suppose you are going to find the equation of envelope, but your parameter is given in the quadratic form, then we have a shortcut method also for finding the equation of envelope. Let's see the shortcut. Let the equation of the family of curves fxy alpha equal to 0, alpha being parameter. Suppose this equation can be arranged as a quadratic in alpha. Let this quadratic be as a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. A, b and c are some function of x and y. Then this is your equation 1 now, because this can be arranged as this. Now differentiate with respect to alpha. Differentiate with respect to alpha. Equation 1, it will be 2a alpha plus b equal to 0. So your alpha will be minus b over 2a. Now put the value of alpha in 1. We will get a into minus b by 2a whole square plus b into minus b by 2a plus c equal to 0. If you simplify it, you will get b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this equation will give the equation of envelope. Equation of envelope. But this method will work in only case when parameter is given in the quadratic form. Let's see the previous example. What was the family of lines? Mx plus a by m. See, this is, and m is parameter. And we can see that there is a quadratic equation in m. We can see how m square x plus a equal to my, or m square x minus my plus a equal to 0. Compare with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. A is equal to x, b equal to minus y, c equal to a. Now, what is the equation of envelope? Equation of envelope was b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Put the value of b, minus y whole square minus 4, a is ax and y is a equal to 0, or y square equal to 4ax. So you can see by this shortcut method we can directly find the equation of envelope. But this method will work when parameter is given in the form of quadratic equation. Let's see the example 2. Find the equation of envelope of the family of curves y equal to mx plus under root a square m square plus b square. M is parameter. I hope you can solve it, because this is again a quadratic equation. If you write in this form, or you can arrange in this form, this is quadratic equation in m again. We can write it m square x square minus a square minus 2xym plus y square minus b square equal to 0. Compare with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Then the equation of envelope is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b is minus 2xy whole square minus 4a is x square minus a square, c is y square minus b square equal to 0. After simplification, you will get this is a nothing else equation of ellipse, because this is a family of tangents of an ellipse. Okay, similar problem I am giving you as homework. Example 3. Find the equation of the envelope for the family of curves x over a plus y over b equal to 1, where two parameters a and b connected by a relation ab equal to c square and c is constant. So this is not a parameter. Remember, I am giving you a hint here. Actually, this is a two parameter family, so we cannot tackle it because till now we have studied for one parameter. So we will convert in one parameter. Find the value of b here in the terms of a. This is like it only. C is a constant, so C is not going to disturb us. Only A is going to disturb us. A is a parameter here, and after simplification, you can see that this is a quadratic equation. A again, A square y plus C square x equal to AC square. Now this is a quadratic equation in A, and you can find the equation up in Malab. You will get answer is xy equal to C square by 4. You can complete it. I am giving you one more problem. Find the envelope of the family of straight lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, where alpha is parameter. So again, this is the one parameter. Now we have to eliminate alpha. Discuss result geometrically. This is again a good problem. Next example is find the envelope of the family of circles x square plus y square minus 2ax cos alpha minus 2ay sin alpha equal to c square. Alpha is parameter. I am giving you a hint in the problem 1. This is your hint for problem 1. You have x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Okay. This is equation 1. Differentiate with respect to alpha. It will be minus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha equal to 0. You will get the value of tan alpha here. Tan alpha will be, I think, y over x. Y over x. Now you have tan alpha, so you can find sin alpha, cos alpha and put in equation 1. You will get the equation of envelope. Problem 3 I am giving you. Find the envelope of the circles which pass through the origin and whose centers lie on the ellipse. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So I'm giving you a hint here. Passes through origin, okay, no problem. And center lie on ellipse. So this is your ellipse. And suppose center lie here. And passes through origin. This is your circle, suppose. So what will be this point? A cos theta comma b sin theta. And theta is parameter. By different values of theta, your center will be here. If theta is 90, center will be here. Theta is 5, center will be here. So these are the parametric coordinates of the ellipse. So center will be A cos theta comma b sin theta. Now you have to eliminate theta. Okay, next problem I am giving you. Find the next problem 4. Find the envelope of the circles drawn on the radii vectors of the parabola as diameter. See the hint here. This is your parabola and radii vector is diameter. So this is the vertex and any point meeting to the point parabola origin, this is called radii vector. AB is called radii vector, but we don't know the position of B. We know the position of A. B will be in the form of, suppose parabola is y square equal to 4x, then V will be your 80 square comma 280. You know the parametric coordinate of the parabola. So this is your the diameter of the circle now. So you have the coordinates of the diameter. So what will be the equation of circle? Equation of family of circles. Family of circles will be x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. x1, y1 is 0, 0, x2, y2 is 80 square, 280. And t is parameter here. Remember, t is parameter. Now you have to, after putting the value in the equation of circle, you will get equation in t. And this, I'm going to solve this all. You will get x minus 0, x minus 80 square plus y minus 0, y minus 280 equal to 0. So after simplification, you will get x square plus y square minus ax t square minus 280y equal to 0. So there are two methods. First method is, you can see that in t parameter you have a quadratic equation, so you can use the equation for envelope d square equal to 4ac, or you can differentiate with respect to t. That will be easy, I think. Minus 2xt differentiate with respect to t minus 2ay equal to 0. So your t is going to be minus y by x. Put t value in equation 1. You will get the equation of envelopes ay square plus x, x square plus y square equal to 0. So this will be the equation of envelope. So you can solve this problem by differentiation method or by quadratic method also. So only problem is, what is geometrical meaning of envelope? You see it carefully and solve these problems today I have given. Only these are the sufficient problems. And next topic we will study evaluates and volutes. Okay, thank you.